Hello, this is Wen Yao Cheng and Napoleon demonstrating the final project for both C#.NET class and the full web stack class. For this final project, we use Angular for the front end and C#.NET for the back end. And we use Web API service calls to connect to our local database and perform the CRUD methods. And so here we can create a new Sacrament meeting agenda by selecting the dates, and you see we have this little nice drop-down list that's pulling data dynamically from the member list and the him list. And there aren't many choices for the him, but it's okay. And we have to also enter a topic for the speaker. So love and charity, hiking, and chocolate. And then we can create the agenda, and we have to refresh, and then we can see the agenda was created. And we can also view the detail for each single one. We can also edit. We can just say 1, 2, 3, and then we can click the update. And then if we refresh on the pages, we can see now it's updated. And so we can do the same thing with the member table. We can create a new member and then say Katie Cheng. And then we can click on the create and then refresh the page. We can see the new member here. Look at the detail. It displays the name for the member and also the member ID. And we can also click on the delete to delete the one that we just created. So yeah, this is our final project presentation. Thank you for watching.